Alright, what's good guys? So today I am finally finishing my exhaust. As most of you may know, it dumps like halfway under my car and it's really loud in the car. I'm going on a trip with a couple buddies to Vermont this weekend. I wanted to get this done before then. I was free today, Cam's free today, so I'm going down to the Haggard shop. Cam's gonna hook me up and it's gonna be lit, so let's go, roll the intro.
That's such a mess. I don't ever worry about it, I just stack the bands. Better now, soon see me whipping in a Benz. Waited, I was speaking, maybe think that I was French. Cause songs of whack, ma, yeah, I'm bringing all my friends. Couldn't get the bigger picture, couldn't see me with a lens. Only fucking with a girl unless she looking like a 10. Yeah. Brother, I just came in with a bang.
I made it safe and sound, and now Cam is gonna do his work. I'm getting the dinky little mid pipe off right now. It already all rusted together. Got the resonator in, just up by the mounts. He's getting the mid pipe in right now, getting it bolted up to the mounts and whatnot. And then he's gonna fab up the piece that goes from the resonator to there because, like a dumbass, I lost it. Cam has everything sort of in place, the adapters on and whatnot. And now he's gonna just start cutting, welding, and making a mint.
Hey, can I charge my phone somewhere?
Cammy boy's taking a break to go rip AJ's bike. AJ, Trevor, and I went to McDonald's, but while we were there, Cam's just been getting shit done under here. We just got to make a piece from there to there, and we'll be good to go. Right now he's just tacking everything, then we're going to unbolt it and bring it out here and actually weld it. Young Tuck out here, boy. What's up? How's it going?
It's going good. I have to make 3 pie cuts, and then I think it'll be done, and everything should be tacked together.
Word up. Cam's been going hard while I've been fucking around with AJ over there. It came out pretty mint. This is the part you needed to make. That's the part I lost. Whole reason I didn't have the exhaust on, but it's coming out really nice. Just gotta drop it, put it all together, like finish the welds, and we'll be good to go.
For just metal lying around, dude, that came out really good.
I know, it really did. I'm happy with it.
Just like that.
Now you get to take it all apart and take it down, weld it, and put it back.
I gotta turn the welder. Oh fuck, can I turn the welder on?
Yeah.
Please.
Shit. So the welder just kind of shit the bed.
Why you?
We are not done. So we're kind of fucked.
Literally so close to being done.
If you add all the pounds of dick you take, then yeah.
Alright, welder started working again, so let's get this bitch going.
I had it.
Dude, it fucked us, dude.
Walk this, dude. I got it, bro.
No, you gotta get the weld on camera. Your camera's gonna
About to
shit the
ruin
bed.
my lens.
Boom, done. Permacocked. Permacocked. Do you guys have some sick bangers here or no? I'm bored all day long. I take boards to the dome.
What? What does that even mean?
One time I punched a hole through what are those things called? A pallet. Punched right through it. I
Why?
punched right through it. I actually karate chopped it like a fucking ninja.
Why?
Cause Trevor said I couldn't, and I did.
Did
My
it
hand
hurt?
Yeah, my hand hurt a lot. But I mean, street cred, you know?
Yeah, I know, dude.
Yeah.
That's not bad.
So Cam's all done with this section. Now he's got to weld one more flange, the one that bolts to that, and then we'll be good.
Get going?
All the bullshit welding is done. Now we literally just got to bolt it on and we'll be done.
Fuck off.
Did you see that?
What?
Superman.
Oh, word. Bye, Trevor.
We're not leaving yet.
Stop pointing that
fucktard.
fucking camera in my face.
It doesn't matter, Trevor. Only 5 people are gonna look at this video.
Oh yeah, true. Only 700 fucking.
Fucking asshole.
We're going. We're going fucking places. You can have that. You can't have my bike though. There's actually bitch bags on that, so if you want to hop in the back, we'll go for a ride.
I wear, dude.
Really?
To the sunset.
The sun is going down.
It is.
On you.
Where is it?
Oh.
Since you don't have fucking, you're not gonna have a
moon's
gasket
coming
in the
out,
stripped
right?
one, and you're not gonna have a gasket back there. You're gonna have to buy them.
Yeah, I'll buy it.
Sexy armpit hair.
You'll be fine. You're gonna have an exhaust leak anyway,
Yeah.
right where the hole is.
It only
It's
leaks a
still
little
gonna
bit.
sound like a tractor.
Like my ass, it only leaks a little. So it's more like 3 to 4 times a day I wipe twice. Just twice.
He gets commonly. It's
My mom wonders where all the toilet paper goes. I have a little leak.
Yo, bitch! What? You wanna help me for a second, please?
You really can't pick that up.
Are you
scrawny
kidding me?
fuck.
Alright, chill, because we gotta sneak it through this shit.
My arms are gonna snap in half.
I can't do it.
perfect.
Dad, my name's
Yup.
Bennett. I suck
Fucking Matt, dude.
I'm thinking about making an Uber, but for like prostitutes.
Baron, watch me. Get in your fucking home.
We're just reciting fucking Happy Gilmore.
Maybe. Oh yeah. You hear that penetration?
Heard it.
Yeah, that's fucking solid, damn.
You get a tramp stamp with me?
Yeah. Oh yeah, if you don't eat it.
Ow, fuck!
What?
Ow!
Who can say where the road goes?
Car's all done. About to start it for the first time.
Alright, start this up. My battery's blinking red. It's so loud right there, just from those 2 holes.
Like so much quieter in there. I'm so happy.
Drive it a little bit. Yeah, once you plug those 2 holes, it'll be really quiet. Barely anything goes on. We're good. That's good enough. Definitely. You ready to have? 1 second. Hold it a little bit. I'm gonna like go around.
I'm so happy because it's so much quieter in the car, and that's the whole reason I wanted to finish the exhaust for this weekend. So fuck yeah. Thank you so much. This is so much better. I'm so happy. Like, I can sit here and have a conversation with someone normal volume, whereas before I would literally have to scream like you saw in an earlier video of Max trying to talk to the camera.
It looks like we're on our way to Robbie's right now.
So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and see you in the next one.